This is 8th class, 9th chapter mensuration. Introduction of this chapter mensuration. First of all, we have to see two-dimensional figures. In these two-dimensional figures, we will see triangle, quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and circle. These 6 figures are considered. Take the first triangle. This is equilateral triangle. What is the side of equilateral triangle? It is A. Then its perimeter is 3A. Area is root 3 by 4 into A square. Root 3 by 4 into A square. The second figure is quadrilateral. The second figure is quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral ABCD quadrilateral, AC is a diagonal and H1, H2 are heights of this quadrilateral. The diagonal is D and H1, H2 are heights. Then its area is half D into H1 plus H2. Half D into H1 plus H2. Then come to third figure. What is the third figure? Parallelogram. In this parallelogram, one pair of sides are parallel and equal. Then it is called parallelogram. In this parallelogram, this is L and this is height. Area is equal to L into H. Area is equal to L into H. The fourth figure is rhombus. The fourth figure is rhombus. In this rhombus, we can see two diagonals. This vertical diagonal is D1 and horizontal diagonal is D2. So we can see two diagonals in the rhombus. Two diagonals in the rhombus. The area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Sometimes the another formula is used. Area is equal to L into altitude. Altitude means H. Altitude means H. So, this is rhombus. Next, we can see the fifth figure, trapezium. Trapezium. What is trapezium? In this trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, but they are not equal. Only parallel. And the other pair is also not parallel and not equal. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel and not equal. So, these parallel sides are A and B. The distance between parallel sides is H. Then area is equal to H by 2 into A plus B. H by 2 into A plus B. The last one is circle, C. The last one is circle. Sixth one is circle. This is a circle. This is center and this is radius. The distance between the center and circle is called radius. Circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r and area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. This is the introduction of two-dimensional figures. In this 8th class, in chapter 9, the exercise 9.1, the first question of exercise 9.1, the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Here, these two lines are parallel lines. One is 1 meter and the length line is 1.2 meter. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines is 0.8 meters. Now we have to find the area of this trapezium. Okay, first draw the figure. Already figure is there. Now come to solution. Here parallel lines. Parallel lines A is equal to 1 meter, B is equal to 1.2 meter. Now, the distance between the two parallel lines is h is equal to 0.8 meter. Now, what is the formula to find the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equal to area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. What are the value of a and b? First, write the 1 by 2 and h value. What is the h value? 0.8 into a and b values. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1.2. So, it is 1 plus 1.2. That equal to 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So, 0.4 into 1 plus 1.2, it will become 2.2. 0.4 into 2.2 is equal to 422's 88. Take the point before two digits. So it is meter square. So area of trapezium is equal to 0.88 meter square. This is the answer. First question is over. Now come to second question. This is second question. Second question in 9.1 exercise. 9.1 exercise. This is second question. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeters square and the length of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Here the length of one parallel side. The length of one parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeters. Find the length of other parallel sides. Here the diagram is given that one side is 10 centimeters. One side is 10 centimeter. And this height is, here this is perpendicular side, perpendicular angle, 90 degrees angle. So we can take this A, B, C, D. Now the AD is height. The AD is height. The height is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Now we have to find this length. Now we have to find this length. AB. So here write the values. A is equal to 10 centimeters. B is equal to, we don't know, we have to find the B value. And H is equal to 4 centimeters. And also the area of the trapezium is 34. Area is equal to 34 centimeters square. Now come to formula. Area of trapezium is equal to h by 2 into a plus b. Now substitute the values in this formula. What is h by 2? H is equal to 4. 4 by 2 into 10 plus b. Now we have to find the b value. Here, this value is equal to 34. Already he has given in this problem. So 34. So this is 34. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So this 2 should be transposed into RHS. Then it will become 10 plus b is equal to 34 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 17 ja. Next, this 10 should transpose into RHS. Then b is equal to 17 minus 10. If the 10 transpose into RHS, then it will become minus 10. So, b is equal to 17 minus 10. That is equal to 7. Therefore, that implies b is equal to 7 centimeters. B is equal to 7 centimeters. So, now come to answer. Find the length of other parallel side. The length of other parallel side is equal to 7 centimeters. This is the answer. Next, come to third question in this exercise. Now come to third question. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. If BC is equal to 48 meters, CD is equal to 17 meters and AD is equal to 40 meters, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to parallel sides AD and BC. Here, the length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. So, AB, we don't know AB. BC is equal to 48 meters. CD is equal to 17 meters. CD is equal to 17 meters. And AD is equal to 40 meters. We don't know AB. Now, first of all, we have to find the AB length. Total perimeter is 120 meters. The length of the fence. So, the perimeter is 120 meters. Now, come to solution of this question. Length of the fence of a trapezium ABCD is 120 meters. Therefore, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120 meters. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120 meters. Now we can substitute the values. What is the value of AB? There is no value. So AB. What is the BC? Plus 48 plus CD. What is the CD? 17 plus 40 is equal to 120. Add these values: 48, 17, 40, 15. So this is 105. So AB plus 105 is equal to 120. AB plus 105 is equal to 120. So AB is equal to 120 minus 105. It is equal to 15 meters. Therefore, AB is equal to 15 meters. So, the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is 15 meters. So, it is 15 meters. H is equal to 15 meters. H is equal to 15 meters. Now, find the area of this trapezium. Area is equal to H by 2 into A plus B. Now, H is equal to 15. 15 by 2 into, what is the A? This is 48 plus 40 is equal to 48 plus 40. 15 by 2 into 88. So 2 1 ja 244. Now it is 15 into 44 is equal to 15 4 ja 60. 15 4 ja 60 plus carry 6. 66. 660 meter square. So the area of the area of trapezium shaped field is equal to 660 meters. So this is the answer. This is the answer. And H is equal to this. H is equal to this. And area is equal to 660 meters square. Okay. Now, come to fourth question. What is the fourth question? This is fourth question. 9.1 exercise, fourth question. The diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meters and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Now come to solution. This AC is diagonal of the quadrilateral. Its value is 24 meters. So, diagonal AC is equal to D, that is equal to 24 meters. And these 8 meters and 13 meters are H1 and H2 values. H1 is equal to 8 meter, H2 is equal to 13 meters. Now, we have to substitute the values in the formula of area. What is the formula of area? Area is equal to D by 2 into H1 plus H2. So, D value is 24 by 2 into H1. What is H1? 8 plus what is H2? 13. So, 8 plus 13. 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja. So, it is 12 into 8 plus 13. It is 21 is equal to 252 meter square. 252 meter square. So, the area of quadrilateral is equal to 252 meter square. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now, come to fifth question. See the fifth question. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Diagonals of is equal to D1 is equal to 7.5 centimeter and D2 is equal to 12 centimeter. So what D1, D2 are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeters. Now, area of rhombus. Area of rhombus formula A is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Now substitute the values. 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 12. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. 7.5 into 6. 6 5 ja 30. 6 7 ja 42 plus 3. 45. 45. Put the point before one digit. So this is area. So we have to take the units centimeter square. Therefore, area is equal to 45 centimeter square. 45 centimeter square. This is the answer for fifth question. This is the answer for fifth question. 9.1 exercise. This is fourth question. 9.1 exercise. Dear friends, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనుకుంటే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.